Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Windows 7 error code 80072EFE. First, please ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A simple restart of your router can often resolve temporary network glitches. Then, briefly disable your antivirus and firewall software, just for a few moments, to see if they are inadvertently blocking the connection. If the error persists after these initial checks, we will move on to more specific solutions. The System Update Readiness tool is an essential step for many update issues. You should download and install this tool from Microsoft's support pages, making sure to select the version that matches your computer's architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit. After installation, please restart your computer, then attempt to run your Windows updates again. This process often cleans up underlying problems, allowing updates to proceed smoothly. Sometimes, the Windows update services themselves become stuck or unresponsive, preventing successful updates. To fix this, open your command prompt as an administrator and type netstop userv followed by netstop bits. After a brief pause, restart them with netstart userv and netstart bits. This simple refresh often allows your system to properly reconnect and download new updates. Finally, thoroughly check your firewall settings, both Windows Defender Firewall and any third-party solutions you may use. Ensure that Windows Update, along with its associated services, is explicitly permitted to access the Internet. If the error persists, you might consider running a System File Checker scan, known as SFC/Scano, to repair corrupted system files. A clean boot environment can also help identify software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.